Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really very well. My name is Neha and I'm here to teach you basic tips, tricks and techniques of makeup. And in today's video, we are going to learn about highlighting and contouring. Contouring and highlighting both are really very important steps in any makeup because contouring gives you a sculpted look which has been flattened by your foundation base and your face looks like a plain canvas. Contouring can help your nose appear slimmer, your forehead appear smaller, and your cheekbones appear more sharper. Let's talk about highlighting. It is exact opposite of contouring. Like contouring gives you shadow. Contouring gives shadow to your face, whereas highlighting gives light to your face. We do contouring on the area of faces where elevation is less, like features elevations is less. So like your hairline, top of your forehead, temples, sides of nose, hollow of your cheeks and your jawline. And we do highlighting on the high points of our face, like center of the forehead, nose, brow bones, cheekbones, cupid's bow, chin. I'm going to tell you highlighting and contouring step by step. So without further delay, let's start. I have already done my foundation base, lips and eye makeup. You can clearly see that my face is looking absolutely flat without actual facial features dimension. My nose is looking funny though. So if you leave your face like this, it would look so plain. First, I'm using Rimmel London's Insta Duo Contour Stick, shade medium, from which I'm going to use only contour shade. Starting from your ear till middle of hollow of your cheeks, or you can say just 2 inches below from end of your eye. To be precise, draw a line with your contour color and flick it in upward direction like this. It's totally up to your choice what type of medium you want for your contour. It can either be cream or powdered. You can use darker shade foundations as well if you don't have contour palette or stick. And you can use the combination of all three. It's totally up to your choice. And I'll be using combination of cream and powdered contouring. But remember, don't mix cream and powder steps randomly. First do all cream based steps. Once you're done with cream medium, you can finish it with powdered medium. That's what I'm going to show you today. So I have applied cream contour on my cheekbones, temples, top of my forehead, nose, just below my lower lip and my jawline. Now I'm blending it with a beauty blender. Just tap, tap and dab. It will eventually get blended with your foundation. Just blend till all harsh and visible contour color goes away. And now, I'm using Rimmel London's Lasting Radiance Concealer for highlighting the area on which I'll be further using powdered highlighter. That will give you more finished look. Apply the concealer on the bridge of your nose, center of your forehead, outer area of your nose, below your eyes, till your cheekbones in an inverted triangle shape, and below hollow of your cheeks and on your chin. Now blend it really well. I have used only cream medium till now, like moisturizer, primer, foundation, contour and highlight. All are in cream or liquid medium. You can use flat brush as well to blend your liquid highlighter. With brush it will be easy to do it below our eyes. Just blend every harsh line. You can see the difference here. it is slowly getting merged with my foundation. Here you can see my face has a bit of dimensions now. Now I'm setting my all cream and liquid products with a setting or translucent loose powder. You can choose whatever setting powder suits you. I'm taking an angled brush now for applying powdered contouring. Just go over the same places where you did your cream contouring and blend it in circular upward direction. Just blend everything well, because blending is the key factor for getting an absolute flawless look. Now I'm taking a round-headed brush and doing powdered contouring on my nose. And now blend it really well. Now here comes the blusher. Just go over the place where you did your contouring and on the apple of your cheeks. And now I'm applying highlighter on my cheekbones. You can use fan brush here, but I'm using an angled tapered brush only. I'm putting powdered highlighter over the areas where I did concealer highlighting. So here we are done with our highlighting and contouring. You can clearly see the difference. Left face is without highlighting and contouring. It only has foundation base. And on the right is full step-by-step sculpted face. If you enjoyed my video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more step-by-step easy makeup tutorials, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to press the bell icon for future updates. I'll see you soon with my new video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.